And I'm Lily.
And we spy on the world.
We don't spy on people. We spy on nature. We have a master.
And he's going to tell us our first task.
Your first mission is to go to the trail and find 3 crystal rocks. Bring me back the shiniest.
Okay, Master, we can do that.
What's that? I see something shiny.
You do? Where is it?
Right here.
Oh my gosh. I think that's pretty crystallized, huh? Yep. Let's go find the next one. Did you find something?
I thought I saw something shiny.
What is that? Is that one a crystal one? Yeah. Pretty. Okay, now let's find the third one.
What's this?
I found one. Yeah, we found one.
Oh my gosh, it's so shiny.
Isn't that pretty?
That's amazing.
Okay, now let's pick the shiniest one. This is the collection we found, and we think this one's the shiniest. Okay, we're gonna bring that back to Master.
Let's throw these out in the field. Want to throw one?
Yeah.
There we go. Let's go back to Master. We found our crystal, Master.
Good job. Your second task is to go to a grassy field and find something that will give you life.
Look what's over there.
What is that? Go open it.
Okay. Let's see. Last time it was a map. This time.
It might be words. I don't know.
It's another map.
It's another map. This looks like where we are.
Okay. So this is where the squirrel is.
And then that's that thingy.
Yeah. And then we come down and there should be something right there.
Okay, let's find that first. Okay, so we're in the little cage thing. And the map says just to go forward a little bit curved. So let's see. What is that? It's cups. I wonder why he gives us cups.
I don't know. Let's find out. The map says to go forward. And then go. What's that? It's water.
Why would he give us water?
I guess this is what gives us life.
That is true.
Let's pour some water in the cups now.
Okay. He knows that it's a hot day outside and we're doing missions for him, so that's why he probably gave us water too.
Now let's pour some into these cups and drink some nice cold water.
It's a big bottle too. And we'll save this for our other missions too. So don't pour all of it, Lily.
Okay.
Okay, I need more too.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, let's see how cold it is.
Let's taste it. I'm really excited because I needed some water.
Me too.
Nice and fresh. Master.
It was refreshing.
Your final mission is to go down to the creek and find a memento to help you remember your missions.
We're going down a really steep hill, so we have to be careful.
My turn. Walking, we came by this and we thought it was really cool. Going down another steep hill and it's really muddy and slippery, so let's see. Made it down. We're gonna jump to the other side. You make it?
Yep. Now it's Jade's turn to jump across.
I'm scared.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I just saw a frog. We don't know.
We're gonna go head towards it.
But we're gonna have to grab like a stick or something to memorize or remember.
Okay, we have to be careful. It's skinny here. You don't want to fall in the water.
Where did you see it?
Let's go.
She's gonna try to jump across from there.
Give me my hand really quick. I'm scared. Scoot forward a little bit.
No, you can't jump from there. It's impossible. You're gonna fall in. Really?
There's nothing over there, so we're gonna go over there. So I'm gonna jump across first.
Good job. Lily, you find yours first.
No, watch out. We've got the can.
You want one of these? You have to choose something. A weird looking stick. Good choice.
Now it's Jade's turn to find something.
I might find a weird looking stick.
It's huge.
Okay, so we found a different way besides the muddy, slippery, steep hill. And it's this way, and it's just a little bit steeper than that.
And spiders everywhere.
Okay, we're not going this way. Okay. Maybe we'll go over here.
Over here. But we're gonna have to run through it.
Well, there's a little hill over there. Here, let's just go up here. Back at the steep hill.
And I've got my stick.
My stick broke a little. Okay, anyway. Go ahead up there. Ah!
okay? Here. Come on, let's get together.
Master, we found our stick, and that's our memorable
Great
thing.
job. Report back tomorrow for more missions.